Hi there, I'm Lexi, your relatable working mama, and today we are going to talk about all the things on how to perfectly create an Instagram bio. Your Instagram bio is so important for many reasons. The first being that when someone comes onto your Instagram page, you have to be able to tell them in a matter of milliseconds who you're helping, what you're going to help them achieve, and how you're going to help them achieve it. So that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. And I think the biggest thing that people trip up on is the fact that they're overthinking it and then trying to focus on their bio being about themselves. If this is a personal Instagram, then of course, if you want it to be about yourself, that's what it's there for, right? So see, like this Instagram bio, well, this is a mom. She's always running late. She has 2 kids under 2. And then she talks about simplifying makeup because I need something simple. She's not talking about how it's going to serve her audience, right? So by looking at this bio, I don't know if she's running a business, if she's just passionate about makeup and she's trying to find something simple for herself, or what her purpose is. And then there's a link and she tells me to go to links, but I don't quite understand what the links are for. Like how is that going to serve me, right? My audience, my potential client. Where we want to go back into the who exactly are you going to help, right? So in sticking with the makeup tutorial, or like a makeup artist, who are we going to help? So let's just say in this instance, if I was talking to this person, who exactly are you going to help? She's probably going to be helping moms with young kids who want a simple makeup routine, right? The next thing, what are you going to help them achieve, right? So she's going to help moms with littles achieve a makeup routine that is simple and time efficient. How is she going to help moms who are busy with multiple kids, one kid doesn't matter? How is she going to help busy moms achieve that simple makeup routine, right? How is she going to do that? And then, so those are going to be the first 3 lines, right? So the first line is who exactly you're going to help, what you're here to help them achieve, and how you're going to help them achieve it. That 4th line where it says link in hers, that's where she's going to have a call to action, right? So instead of it saying links, it needs to say, grab my free makeup tutorial on how to do makeup under 5 minutes, or grab my free tutorial. After talking to Olivia and getting to know more about her business and what exactly she's looking for, this is the Instagram bio that I came up with, right? Who is she helping? She's helping busy moms feel put together with makeup. What is she here to help them achieve? She's here to help them achieve that makeup is being done in under 5 minutes. And how is she going to help them achieve it? Well, she can color match them virtually, right? She tells them how to color match it. So when she clicks on that link, it'll take her potential clients to a page where she can color match them virtually. They don't have to leave the comfort of their own home. She doesn't either. So both busy moms can do it when it works for them, right? So who she's going to help? Busy moms. What is she here to help them achieve? She's here to help them achieve a complete makeup routine in under 5 minutes. How is she going to help them achieve that? She's going to do that by color matching them so that then she can send them the products that she can use or that they can use to achieve that result. Thank you so much for taking the time to learn exactly how to optimize your Instagram bio with me. If you liked this video and felt that it provided value to you, please hit the subscribe button below now.